You ready to test your intuition? I've got a game for you today. I'm Michael Smith, and I've been teaching intuition development for the last 17 years so that you can trust your intuition rather than doubt it. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So close your eyes, take a big exhalation of your egoic mind. Call on your higher self. Show me what's important is your ask to spirit. Now, show me the symbol, the shape that is behind this card. And now ask for the color. And when you're ready, open your eyes. It's a yellow circle. How did the information come to you? Did it come through feeling? Did it come through knowing? Were you pulled towards a certain shape or color? Did you see it? Did you hear it? It's important that we affirm our successes. So let me know how you did in the comments. And let me know how the information came to you.